Hey guys, what is up? We are now testing out our new streaming system. Hopefully this actually works. Right now what we're doing is sending a RTMP link out to a server, and then we're just encoding it server side instead of having to offload resources on our computer. So hopefully that means we can do 4K at 30 or 60 FPS, since I do have the upload speed for it. It's just that Twitch doesn't support it. So what I have to do is I have to re-encode it on the fly and then send that to, say, Twitch or YouTube. And basically right now, all I'm doing is opening up the game, getting it started, and seeing if there's any lag or anything like that that might have any random issues and so forth. So we're going to go ahead and test that and just kind of see how it goes. So far, it's actually looking fairly decent. All I have to do is configure a few things on the editor side, since I have a computer dedicated just to editing Fortnite and anything coming to it. So let me see if I can get this to work. And we're at an insanely constant bitrate here, which is awesome. We're using the slowest possible thing we can use on the server side, and we're not even close to 60% usage on the server, which is amazing. So sorry it's taking a few seconds. I'm just trying to get this NDI system to work, which will send data from my gaming computer to my overlay and streaming computer, which my overlay and streaming computer will then send that data out to a re-encoding server, which then sends that out to, say, Twitch, Mixer, YouTube, and things like that. I think right now on YouTube, that's the only place we have 4K 30 FPS running. Right now, Twitch is only 1080p 60. So Twitch is a little bit behind in that regard. However, we should be able to still have fairly high quality gameplay and so forth. So let's go ahead and select this here as well as desktop 1 and see if we can get this to even notice that we have NDI open and actually connect to our NDI source. If it can't, that's just going to suck. Okay, we are now officially live using the new settings. You should be able to see my Fortnite perfectly, and everything should be working just as it should be. I'm going to go ahead and exit this and close all connections so that we have a nice, fast, reliable connection to our host computer. We're actually running a bridged connection, so before our gaming computer even touches the internet, it touches the streaming computer via two 10 gigabit Ethernet cables. So we're using a bonded interface there, so pretty nice, and should have a pretty good looking stream if I set this up correctly. But yeah, we're right around the 60 to 80% mark on CPU usage for our stream, which is literally nothing. So I can definitely up the quality of our stream, as well as minimizing how much data is actually being sent to the client. And right now I'm just logging in with a program called Twitch Inspector. I'm also going to go ahead and enable music on our stream. So do that. There we go. Music is now playing. It sounds great. Looks great. Everything's good. So it says right now we're at an unstable 5,800 kilobytes a second. I'm going over to our actual stream panel and seeing what we're getting. It looks like we're having a constant output of. So we have a constant input of around 12 megabytes a second, active for about 2 minutes and 50 seconds, and a full input of 1.3 gigs over 9 minutes. So I'm looking at our stream, and it's outputting at 2 megs, which is pretty good. Right now it looks fairly stable at around the 2,000 mark, so I'm really hoping that works nice and good. So we're gonna go ahead and do a single game of solo and kind of just see how it goes, what happens, how things move along, and if there's actually any lag coming from our gaming computer to our editing computer to our coding server. So we're going to go ahead and monitor that like a hawk and see if there's anything in there that we can fix or change and so forth. But I do notice our FPS in stream is dipping looking down a lot, so I do see that. Other than that, it doesn't look that bad. We do have some FPS, looks like, which is not what that could really be from anything. We do have 2 NDI sources open. That usually causes a good amount of lag, so I'm going to remove an NDI source. That should go ahead and drop right away. Second thing I'm going to close is Unity, since I don't even know why I have that open, but I do. So I'm going to get that shut down. Other than that, you seem fairly good. Seems Opera is using a shit ton of processing power, so. Fully just annihilating those 2 things. And then jumping on our Unity here, since we have some normal map stuff. I see the bus, so FPS is good, so see what we can do. I'm going to enable preview on this, bottom right, so I can see if NDI is updating. Does not look like our actual NDI source itself is updating, which is not good. Yeah. Our NDI source itself is definitely not updating. It looks like they changed the graphics slightly on a few weapons too in the game. Oh, I'm just talking, so I might as well take what I see, what I found. Since you can't see it. There's a guy here with me. I'm gonna search for him and then fix that NDI issue. Could do a lot more damage. there we go. Yeah, it's updating. Okay. This will just... And yeah, it took a second. So I'm gonna go to my live screen, and then when our stream's done, or when I die, I'll end the stream and we can see what's up. This guy had nothing. What the fuck? I really need a shotgun of some type if I can get one. I'm gonna do this so I can get to like 70-ish. I know that might be a waste slurp, but it gets us to that nice 70 number. Don't see anything there worth getting. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, don't see anything. Okay, let me change my guns here to optimal layout, and let's go. 46 people left. I still don't know how the stream is doing. As I've said, I can't monitor the stream while playing. It's a weird thing, just because of the way I have the encoder set up to relay the information from my editing computer after it's been sent from my gaming computer. I just have a huge shit ton of network cables everywhere, so it's, you know, yeah. It's kind of a mess the way I'm streaming, but it works. I personally like it, so I'm gonna switch that to that. Then I'm gonna go get the golden chest over here. So it looks like there's a another gold in there, like an actual gold drop. Some type, I don't know. What the fuck, really? I know this guy fell, but I don't know where he went. Or if he's hiding from me. What's happening? I totally missed my shot on him. That's my fault. That was just me being bad. There's a llama right there that I want because it has building material. I don't know if this guy notices me. This little bitch is getting sneaky, and I know. I know what he's doing. Don't want to let him have it. Okay. That was just me being bad, but at least I can see if my stream looks good. So, yeah, it's a win, lose, win, maybe not really any of those.